सरो ताज फिर बैठे सोचेंगे काश तू हुंदी एक मुंडा आज.
When you hear about hip-hop, rap, boys in funky outfits addressing a large crowd with their blunt, loud music, and not to forget, Gully Boys immediately strikes your mind. But rapping isn't a male prerogative anymore. The Indian female rappers are too taking this field by storm, and today I'll introduce you to one such feisty lady.
ये लड़की रैपर, ओ माय गॉड, इससे नहीं होगा. अपीयरेंस इसका बिल्कुल ख़राब है. सिर्फ लड़कों के कपड़े पहनने से कुछ नहीं होता, लड़कों की तरह एंटरटेन भी करना पड़ेगा. ओह, शी इज़ अ वुमन, शी रियली कांट रैप. I was bullied for the way I looked. It was very difficult to cope up with the bullying, and the only way I thought I could come out of it was writing poems. So I started writing poems and started speaking about it, that you guys are bullying me and that's not right. There is a way to convey your message to the audience, and it doesn't have to be poetry for just for conveying. So hip hop is just an amazing way to convey. You know, people don't really take females in the rapping industry very seriously. So I think it was tough in the beginning. You know, there was a thing that she's a female rapper, and females are not to be taken very seriously in the rap industry. I didn't have any brotherhood for me, so I really had to compete. I really had to pick up a different style, pick up a different genre altogether to sort of combine it all together and come out with something very unique. When I told my mom that, I want to do a rap, I want to take out one of my songs on YouTube, she said, where is your, song? Have you written it? Have you tried writing it ever? Maybe it's just a hobby, it's time, it'll pass, and, she didn't take me that seriously. But when I was 16 years old, I received an award from Shri Udit Narayan ji, and it was for being India's only female rapper, the youngest female rapper. And I think that was the time when my parents, sort of saw that this is what I really want to do. I lost a lot of projects because I was overweight. They wanted to see a figure. I was performing at a fest. So one of the, the coordinator of the event sort of made a comment that, oh, ye hai, oh my god, ye kaise karegi, she's so fat. Males are, dominating the industry, and when you say a rapper is coming and performing and they see a girl coming up to the stage and starting to perform, they all are very, dull, and they have weird faces on them. Oh, a girl, how will she do it? I mean, how will she rap? She's not Honey Singh, come on. The society do not support girls rapping. It is, very difficult to convince parents and family that, I have a passion for this and I want to be a rapper. Trust yourself, trust your instincts, show the world that no matter if I am not stereotypical, I can still be the one.
Ishkor on the beat,
So this was Ishkor, who contributes to the thought of women empowerment through her bold rap music and is shutting those mouths that says rapping is just not a girl thing.